What's going on, you guys? I'm going to go over your packet. It's questions 22 through 30. So a function is no repeats in domain, or if I draw a straight line, it only crosses once. So since I have no repeats, F is good. Repeat in 3, that's bad. No repeats, that's good. Crosses twice, that's bad. Only crosses once, that's good. Only crosses once, that's good. All right, Kasia needs to build a birdhouse for a project, and it takes 20 minutes per birdhouse. 20 minutes per birdhouse. And he needs to finish after he has built 15 birdhouses. The number of minutes it takes for him to build the birdhouse is which one? So domain would be our x values, and it says all real numbers. That means I could have negative birdhouses. So that's not true. Domain is an integers from 0 to 15. So that means I could have 0 birdhouses, 1 birdhouse, 2, 4, all the way up to 15. That makes sense. The range is all real numbers. So that means I could have negative time. So that doesn't make sense. And the range is integers 0, 1, all the way up to 300, which means that when building the birdhouse, we skip from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and there's no like seconds in between. So that doesn't make sense. That can't be true. Okay. When h is this number, that means replace x with this number. So then I have h of this number is equal to replace x with that same number. So then negative, negative, make a positive. And then 1 times 29 is 29. Okay? And then 29 and 3 don't work together, so I'm going to make both of them into a fraction, because I multiplied both the top and the bottom by 2. Add those together, I get 35 over 2. This is x, this is y. Plug them in for each other, also knowing that f of x is y. So I have n is equal to 3 times negative 12 minus 9. N is equal to negative 36 minus 9. N is equal to negative 45. All right, cell phone company charges $45 for a line plus $15 for every gigabyte. So 15 per gigabyte plus $45 to have the phone. So this one doesn't even make sense because it's got equals everywhere. This doesn't have the charge at the start of 45. And this one says $15 fee plus $45 per gigabyte, which means that D is the only one that makes sense. The graph below shows a company with bracelets. So let's make a y equals mx plus b. B is starting at minus 6. And then following it perfectly, I see the next perfect grid point way up here. And you guys could have picked a different one. But that's up 10 over 4, or 5 over 2. So there is my equation. They want to know when we sell 400. So that means 5 times 400 over 2 minus 6, or 2,000 divided by 2 minus 6, or 1,000 minus 6, or 994. An apple orchard charges $5 for a basket plus 10 cents per apple that they pick. All real numbers means I can have negative apples, okay? And we're looking for range, so this is money, okay? Because that's our final cost. So I can have negative money for this orchard. That doesn't make sense because we're paying them $5. This one says start at $0, and then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. That doesn't make sense because we have to start with 5 for the basket. This next one says start at $0. Same reasoning. This one says start at $5 and add 10 cents for each apple after that. And that makes sense. Okay, what is the relationship of the scatter plot? It is going down, okay? And it's going, as years go up, time goes down. So the winning time increases as years decreases. Nope. As years increase, winning times increase. Nope. As the years decrease, nope, they're going up. As years increase, times decrease. And that makes sense. All right, I have a line that goes through that scatter plot. Which one makes the most sense? -3 for the y-intercept? Absolutely not. +8 would be way up here. Absolutely not. So I'm stuck with +3 or +3. This first one says to go up 2 over 3. Okay? And then the next one says to go up 3 over 1. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Email me.